Welcome! Mabuhay! Salamat dating ang inasio wahin. Our coming together in this 23rd General Chapter is very significant in our life and mission as a congregation. For us, in the province of East Asia, particularly here in the Philippines, hosting this milestone event of our General Chapter is an honor and a privilege. It's a service to the Institute. Hosting this General Chapter means an opportunity for all the delegates to learn from the cultural richness and spiritual depth of Asians, of Filipino culture, who are known for their warmth, generosity, and strong sense of community, values that resonates well and deeply connected with our Maris charism of family spirit and being together in our mission. For the Philippines, this occasion is really important because it reinforces the brothers' connection to the broader Maris family worldwide, including those in countries with different challenges and opportunities. The sharing of ideas, experiences, and resources strengthens the congregation's global mission and help us in the East Asia province to remain engaged with the global Maris community. May our 23rd General Chapter becomes a platform for mutual learning where the experiences of Maris communities in Asia and around the world can come together to share insights on how to face the challenges for the future while remaining true to our Maris charism. Thank you very much and welcome to the Philippines.